Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 tips and tricks on how to grow your hair long and healthy. So this is something that I have been passionate about for years now. I have been growing my hair out for at least 10 years, and it started like probably right here. I learned a whole bunch of different things, what worked for my hair, what didn't. Now all of these tips can be different for everybody, but they're just ones that I found really helped my hair grow and stay healthy, because growing your hair out, that's great, but the problem I was having was I was growing my hair out long, but it was not staying healthy. And then by the time it got down to the length that I wanted, I had to cut 3 or 4 inches off in order for it to be healthy again. So the way that I'm going to do this is I'm going to share with y'all 3 different things that you can take internally for your hair to grow healthier, and then I'm going to share 3 external things that you can do to your hair to help keep it healthy. So the first thing that you can do internally is drinking tons of water. Now I know that everyone says that, but it's honestly true. What you put into your body is how it's going to radiate on the outside. That is what I was trying to say. So if you want healthy hair, what you put into your body is very important. So drinking tons of water, staying hydrated. The way my brain works, if you have dry hair, then I think that means you're dehydrated. I could be wrong, but that's just the way I like to think of it. The second tip is taking hair vitamins. Vitamins that I take is AG Pro, and what it is, it's actually made for people who have cancer or have hair loss, and it's supposed to really help your hair grow really fast, thicker, healthier, faster. So this is great. I'm not even going to try to pronounce a lot of these things, but don't worry, I will do a close-up and I will show y'all everything that is in here. But it's just a lot of good vitamins. Some of the supplements that are in here is vitamin C, vitamin B6, iron, iodine, magnesium, zinc, copper, manganese, and potassium. And those are just like some of the supplements that are in here, but it's a really good vitamin. Now granted, it does not taste very good, but you're supposed to take 6 tablets a day. I personally do not do that because I have trouble swallowing vitamins down, and these are kind of like really big. So I just take 1 a day, and it does wonders just doing that. Plus, it makes them last a little longer. But you can get these over the counter at Walmart, maybe at some other pharmacies, but you can definitely get it. I think it's like maybe $30, but it is definitely worth it. And the third thing is eating healthy. So eating fruits and vegetables is really great for your hair, because again, what you put into your body is how it's going to radiate on the outside. So if you want healthy hair, you gotta eat healthy. But I personally am someone who loves my junk food. I love sweets, I love chocolates, I love soft drinks, I love eating out at fast food restaurants. I mean, I love my junk food. But really, if you do want healthy hair, you have to eat healthier. So what I tried to do was just at least try to eat healthy as much as I could think of to do it. You don't have to exit out any of the foods that you are eating, even though that's probably better for your hair, but I mean, I didn't do it. So those are the 3 internal things that you can do. Now we're going to talk about the 3 external things that you could do to your hair to help keep it healthy. The first thing is doing oil treatments to your hair. So what I personally like to do, I like to mix certain oils. I use coconut oil, vitamin E oil, sometimes I use grapeseed oil, there's sunflower oil, and there's also castor oil. Now castor oil is really great for growing out your hair. It actually stimulates the hair growth, but all the other oils, they're great for that too. But it also is healthy for your hair in general. So it's to help just kind of like moisturize it and keep it nice and soft. I love doing those. But if you're not someone who likes to do that, then I also use hair serums, and these are like my 2 favorites. I recently got this one from Function of Beauty, and I really like it. It smells just like the scent that I ordered. It makes my hair shiny and soft. I really love this one, but the one that I used before I got Function of Beauty, like all the time, probably for years, was this one from I don't really know the exact name of it. Beauty Pure and Simple. I really don't know, but it's argan oil of Morocco, and this hair serum has been amazing. I have used this for years. It was great. You can buy it at Walmart. It is amazing. The next one is using a silk pillowcase. Now, I didn't realize the importance of a silk pillowcase until I actually started using it, because if you use just like a cotton pillow, what it is your hair gets just kind of like tangled and kind of like caught on it, and it kind of like sticks to it in a way, and it just like rubs, and it's just like, it's bad. But with a silk pillowcase, your hair just kind of glides over it. Like it just glides, so it doesn't get tangled as easily. Plus, it feels amazing. And I mean, silk is just great for your hair and your skin. Little side note. So that is the next tip. Try it out. You will thank me later. And the last and final tip is, as much as possible, try to use a clip in your hair. Try not to use rubber bands. They are not bad for your hair, but I do recommend using a clip or a stick. And these are just ones that I love using. It's just kind of like a claw clamp, claw clip, claw, whatever you call this. Just using these are so much healthier for your hair. I figured out a way that you can use a clip to make it look like you have a ponytail in a way. So I just like to twist it up, clamp it in, and then I am good to go. And it's a very quick and easy hairstyle as well, but they're very soft on your hair, and it doesn't like create those kinks that rubber bands normally do. And the same thing with a stick. I saw another YouTuber use these, and her hair was like knee length, and I was like, how is your hair like super healthy? But what she did was she always used a stick or clamps, and I'm like, okay, well, that's interesting. So I started using it, and I actually saw a difference in my hair whenever I started using the clips and the sticks. With the stick, it's really simple. You just kind of like wrap it up into a bun and then stick the stick through. I will show a clip because it's very hard to explain. But I definitely saw a difference in my hair whenever I started using these, because I would always use rubber bands just to get my hair out of the way, because having long hair, yes, is amazing, but it also can get in the way, and I like to just pull it up. And using these, definitely, I saw a difference. My hair just stayed healthier a lot longer, and like my ends were a lot better, and I did not see as much breakage, which was great. And that's what these are great for, is just no breakage. You know what I'm trying to say. And those were my 6 tips and tricks to growing your hair out long and healthy. I really hope that they were helpful for you, and that maybe you learned something that you didn't know before. I have a tons more. If you would like to see more videos like this, then please give this video a humongous thumbs up and let me know. I will make more videos like this if y'all guys would like to see more. Alrighty, well, I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye!